Welcome, students. In this video, I will be deriving the following function. I will be deriving Cosh hyperbolic cosine of x. Now, hyperbolic cosine can be written in terms of exponential functions as follows: e to the x plus e to the minus x all over 2. So we're going to use that fact to compute our derivative. So first things first, we're going to use the limit definition of a derivative. So lim as h approaches 0. And now we're going to do e to the x plus h plus e minus x plus h all over 2. Then we're going to do minus e to the x plus e to the minus x. Now all over h. So let's combine things first. Let's combine what's on the numerator. So first we're going to do lim as h approaches 0. And we're going to split up the top. So it's going to be e to the x, e to the h. Then we're going to do over 2h. Because when you have the same denominator. And so it's going to be 2. But because you have an h, I'll put it at the bottom as well. So then it's going to be plus e to the minus x, e to the minus h. Then we're going to do minus e to the x. And then we're going to do minus e to the minus x. Okay. So the next step is to combine like terms. So we're going to combine this one and this one. So I'm going to pull out an e to the x. So it will be e to the x. Now in parentheses e to the h minus 1. And what we can do is, because I'm going to speed up the limits, so I'm going to make two limits. So it will be plus lim as h approaches 0 of, and now we're going to combine this one with this one. So I'm going to pull out an e to the minus x, and then now that will be e to the minus h, and then minus 1 all over 2h. Notice here, this one here, if I pull out a half, I don't have to pull it out right now because I can show it to you with a different color. But this one, this is the same as the derivative of e to the x or e to the h at x equals 0. So what we can do is we're going to leave e to the x, and so I'm gonna take the limit as h approaches 0 here. So this green part is going to become is equal to e to the x over 2. And since we take that, so what's the derivative of e to the x when x equals 0? That's just equal to 1. So this term here becomes 1. So I'm gonna multiply it times 1. Then we're gonna do plus now the other limit. So we're gonna take out, so when we take as h approaches 0, it's gonna be e to the minus x all over 2. And again, the same thing different colors. So we're going to do this part here, take the limit of this, and then that becomes, because it's minus, derivative of minus x, it will be -1 when as h approaches 0. So this is going to be times -1. Now let's combine things. So this will be equal to e to the x minus, because of the minus here, e to the minus x all over 2. And that is the same thing as the definition of sinh of x. So that means that the derivative of cosh x is sinh x, hyperbolic sign. Notice here you have a plus and here you have a minus. So this is the sinh definition in terms of exponential function. So it will be sinh x, our answer. Look at it a little better. Look at it. So thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to support my channel. And I really appreciate you. Thank you very much. See you soon.